Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness is taking issue with how long it takes to get projects done in Jamaica. His comments came during a land handover ceremony in Cherry Gardens in St. Catherine. Details in this report.
21 years. That's how long it has taken to deliver 34 lots under a housing development project in Cherry Gardens, St. Catherine. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness used the moment to call out what he says is a deeply rooted national problem.
Jamaica is not short of dreams. The Jamaican people are not short of ambition. We're not short of plans. What we are short on is implementation.
According to Dr. Holness, the delay stems from long-standing infrastructure issues, including sewage challenges that stalled the project for years. But he argues the problem runs deeper than logistics. It's cultural.
Our problem as a people, it's not the ability to dream and think big. But if you compare what we have actually achieved versus what is our potential, we will have to confess that yes, we have achieved so much, but we could have achieved so much more.
Dr. Holness says Jamaica has become trapped in a system that prioritizes process over results, where bureaucracy slows delivery and success is measured by procedure, not impact.
We have been led by a generation of thinkers who have adopted a perspective on bureaucracy that puts process over outcome. We don't view a lack of outcome as corruption. What we view as corruption is a lack of process.
It's a mindset, he says, must change, especially for those in leadership and public administration.
We need to change that mindset to tie the people who are administrators, who are executives, who have ministerial function, to whether or not the people got the road or got the house or got the outcome that has made their lives better. That is what we need to twin.
He's now calling for accountability, not just in effort, but in results.
Effort must equal outcome. We must measure effort. It is a dangerous path to place in the public domain because it is not well understood, but it is a path that Jamaica needs to travel if we are going to be able to deliver.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.